Hey everybody, baking powder, it says it's double acting. Well, what's double acting mean? Let's take a look at that. That means that it has the ability to react twice as much as baking soda. But why is that? Well, take a look right here at its equation. It's Na2CO3, the other one's NaHCO3. Ooh, baking powder instead of baking soda. But what we really care about is the number of particles in there because we need that to plan out equations. So if we know we have 254 grams of baking powder, that's a lot of baking powder, by the way. That'd be enough to make all your birthday cakes for your whole life. But let's say we had that much. We need to figure out how many moles that's going to be because we use moles to plan out reactions. So when we are making reactions happen, we have to plan how much of each thing to put in, because if we don't do that, we have the stuff that we put in left. It's not just the stuff we were trying to make. If you're trying to make medicine, there's still random chemicals in there, and you don't want to take that. In this case, maybe you're baking a cake, so it just tastes gross. But let's look at how to convert that. Now, here's the work for it. First thing you do is figure out the molar mass. When you do that for baking powder, sodium carbonate, it's 96.99 grams. You go over here, you have 254 grams. You need to use a big fraction. The grams goes on the bottom so that it'll cancel. You multiply the stuff on the top. You divide the stuff on the bottom. You get 2.62 moles of sodium carbonate. Now, what if you were going the other way? Here's the other example that you'll see. This is rust. What if you want 1.23 moles of rust? Well, scrape the bottom of my car and you'll find it. But let's say you need to make that. How many grams is that going to be? Well, moles goes on the bottom here, so moles will cancel. That means grams is on the top. So you go grams, moles, times the number that was with grams. Notice that number that was with grams is on the top now. So you end up with 1.96 grams of rust, iron oxide. So to do that, you had to know the molar mass. I calculated it down here. So those are the two types of problems you'll see. We'll be using these here in a little bit to plan out reactions. Thanks. Bye.